Method of substitution in linear equations. So in simultaneous linear equation, let us see first method, the substitution method. Let me take one problem and let us solve this. So question is solve 3x minus y is equals to 23, comma 4x plus 3y is equals to 48. So these are the system of linear equations. For every linear equation, there are infinite points, infinite solutions are there. For this also, there are infinite solutions. But for these both satisfying, what is the common solution? That only we should find out. So there is only the methods of solving simultaneous linear equations. So in this substitution method, we need to substitute one of the variable value in another equation. So for that solution, if you see, we need to take both. Let us take first equation, 3x minus y is equals to 23. Okay, let be equation 1, and 4x plus 3y is equals to 48. This is equation 2. So linear equations in two variables, x and y. So from first equation, we should find out one of the variable value. So either x value or y value should find out from this. So I am finding the value of y. So from this minus y, except y variable, other variables take other side. 23 minus 3x. Okay, 3x to right side minus 3x. Now I want plus y this. So if you want to positive y, change the sign. So if it is minus y, this is minus 23 plus 3x. So finally y is equals to 3x minus 23. Okay, this is the finding value of y. So from the equation, from ATK, just take any one of the equation in both. One of the equation you take and find the value of one of the variable. So here is y is 3x minus 23. Now this y value we need to substitute in the equation 2. The square is a substitution method. So we got the value of y. So from equation 2 we need to substitute this. So that is 4x plus 3y is equals to 48. Right? Now this 3x minus 23 in the place of y, we should substitute this. 4x plus 3 into value of y. This is 3x minus 23 is equals to 48. We can simplify this, we'll get x value, that x if substitute here, again we'll get the value of y. That's why it's substitution method. So we can simplify this, 4x plus 3 into 3, 9x minus 23 into 3. Okay, 69 minus 69 is equals to 48. 4x plus 9x is 13x is equals to 48 plus 69. 69 take other side. So 13x is equal to 48 plus 69 is 117. X is equal to 117 by 13. Now we can cancel this. 13 ones are 13 nines are. So 9. So therefore x is equals to 9. I got x value now. So first equation y variable value I substitute here. I got the x value. Then x value substitute in this, we'll get the value of y. So y is equals to 3x minus 23, right? So y is equals to 3 into x. X value is 9. So 9 substitute here. Minus 23. 9 into 3. 27 minus 23. That is 4. Then y is equals to 4 I got. So x is equal to 9 and y is equals to 4. These are the solution set, common solution set for this both. That means 9 comma 4 will satisfy this both the equations. You can do verification also. Okay, let me verify with this 3x minus y is equal to 23. So first equation is this for verification. Just checking the solution is right or wrong. So the question is 3x minus y is equals to 23. And one more is 4x plus 3y is equals to 48. Yeah, 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Let us check this and find out if the solution is right or wrong. That means 9 comma 4 will satisfy this equation. X is 9. So 3 into 9 minus y value is 4. 3 9s are 27 minus 4 is 23. Yeah, same RH is also 23 only. Right? It's equally got. Now this 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. So 4 into 9 plus 3 into 4. Y value is 4. That is 48 should get. 9 into 4. Okay, 36 plus 12. Yeah, 36 plus 12 is 48. That is equals to 48. LHS and RHS. That means this equation is satisfied by this two common solution. Therefore 9 comma 4 is the required solution. This is the solution for the both the system of linear equations. So this is the one of the method, just finding one variable value and substituting in another one. This is the called substitution method. Next we have elimination method. So instead of substituting directly, by equating coefficients, how to eliminate. Let us see the elimination method. Let me take another example and I will show the elimination method now.